Hello lovely people, I'm back again. So today guys, since the other video is so long already, I'm going to show you B&M and Home Bargains haul. This is today and it will be mixed, so I'm sorry because I don't know which. Yeah, it's mixed guys. So we'll just start here. This one is sell. So
and she's gonna go away.
£2.50.
Wait, can I see?
You're in the camera.
Okay, can
Go
I
here.
Can I read that?
Okay, read here.
Last collection, Monday to Friday, 4:15 p.m. A later collection is made at 7. Oh, well, I'll just read it again because maybe you won't understand it really. Last collection, Monday to Friday, 4:15 p.m. A later collection is made at 7:30 p.m. from the post office at Main Post Office High Street.
Yeah, so this is peanut feeder.
So what
it's
do
so
they
cute.
mean by that?
Yeah, it's just a design. It's just they're showing that this is a post office, but it's not. It's not. So yeah, I just bought it to give to someone, and it's $2.50, £5 original price, and I bought it $2.50. Yeah. The next is this. What I like about this, remember I purchased in Amazon, but it's too big.
What I like of this, remember what I purchased in Amazon.
So this one is only £9, and I feel like I prefer this one.
That?
I feel like it's not so small, not so big. Yeah, like that. But I really like something that I cannot find. But yeah, still it's nice. Right? And £9 only.
My channel.
Next is this one from B&M still. It's just £9. I purchased last time like this. It's in my toilet, and then the other toilet I need. So I bought it again. It's really, I like it. I don't know. I like marble so much. Marble, gray, white is my favorite. That one. Next is Corsodel toothpaste. This is £3.50 in
Okay, now that's a bit more bad.
Then this is Vanish to whiten my clothes, because sometimes, you know, I don't know, my clothes become not, I like really white, but some of my clothes are not, so
it
I
seems
need
like
this.
you cannot use your laptop still.
It's a Lobat maybe.
Yeah, I know.
Next is this is from Home Bargains actually. Just that. This is from B&M. I just saw it online and I'm thinking, okay, let's grab this. Bathroom sanitary ware, taps, chrome, kitchen sink. So I guess this is good. Alex, no music because I am here. So look at, I just saw it and they are using it and they said it's nice. So sometimes I'm just copying what I see online. And this one, it's a bit something. All-purpose compost. And also I purchased this is in B&M, 2 for £9, and I also purchased some racks, but I cannot carry it here. It's in the garden already because I need more racks, white racks I like. And then Spam. Yeah, just Spam. This is from where I bought it. Yeah, B&M. And then this one, Sharpie from B&M. What else here? Nothing more. And then this bag, let's see what I got. Oh, this one tape. This is from Home Bargains. No, it's B&M actually. It's B&M, $1.50 because you know Christmas time.
3 gems, guys.
And then this hanging, the humidifier is just 89p, which is yeah. Actually, this is just 2 pieces. Yeah.
Maybe my F-point sounds like a bad idea.
I feel like it's effective. Oh, it's just one. Yeah. Because one time I bought, like, I remember it's £1 something and it's 2, but this one is just 1. Comment down below, it's effective because last time I used it and it's like 1 week, 2 weeks, it's already, you know, because I opened the window. This is the problem. I opened the window, guys. So yeah.
She's 790.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's
anyway,
793.
I just hung it. I hung it in my closet. So comment down below if it's good to hang it in the toilet, in the closet or not. I need to buy more. And then next is mini handheld tape dispenser from B&M. It's only, let me show you more. Yeah, like that. And then crayons. How much is this? $2.50. It's a bit expensive.
This way, guys.
This is crayon.
This way, my viewers. This way.
And then I grabbed this for my son. This is sale actually. $1.50, guys. $1.50 and it's 2 pieces already. So it's even cheaper than in Primark, yeah? What do you think? Is it worth it? $1.50, but it's £5 supposedly. Yeah, I think it's okay. It's nice, not bad. And then this one, Bluey ball pen, £1.50. Bluey. Oh, okay, like that. It's so cute. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, like that. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god. When I'm like younger, I like when my pens are cute pens. I really like it. It's nice to write. I like to write when my pen is like this. I will ask my son if he likes this. And then pens, coloring pens. This is like £1 or 89. Home Bargains, by the way. This is Home Bargains. This is B&M. It's mixed now. This is in B&M. It's $1.50 and then I purchased it 50 pence. So yeah. Alex.
Yes.
Do you like this?
Oh yeah, not bad.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Look at. It's bluey.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah. Just like that. Not bad. You don't like bluey? Who you like? Home Spider? How about this? Do you like this?
A bit, that's why.
Do you like this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, let's see if it fits to you. Because once my son doesn't like it, I'll just give it as a Christmas birthday gift.
A bit.
Yeah. I do like that, guys, if he doesn't like the things. And then I grabbed this in, where is it? B&M. Spider-Man with notebook. How much is it? Oh, £6. Look at £6, guys. With pen and... But I just don't like the pen when it's like this. You need to open and close because normally you will lose the part. But yeah.
Guys, which is the equation to this? I know what it is, but let's see if you know. Tell me in the comments if you know which one.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. And then
35.
This is sale. This is goggles, and this is 50 pence, guys. Look, my son have 3 or 4 goggles, and I prefer that. This one I'll just give it as a gift to a friend, child, like that. 50 pence. Imagine. So it's nice to shop.
I know there's 2 things you need to do, guys. Actually, in that, find them.
This is B&M. I like to shop, sell, because I'll just keep it, and then by the time I need it, I will just, you know, give it as a like Christmas, birthday gifts. I have ready gifts, you know. This one is so cute. I like this also. SpongeBob. SpongeBob, they have so many color.
I just done that by accident.
Yeah, I like this when I am writing. Oh, look at. I like it. Oh wait, why it's not working somehow? Okay, some of that is not so much. Yeah, This is the problem.
We got it to 1,030.
One is stuck already. How much I bought it? I think 150 or something. Oh my god, it's stuck already, this one. Oh, this is too bad.
I think the maximum I can be is 800. That's all I know.
Okay, okay, I can do like that actually. Yeah. It's okay actually.
Not 900.
Yeah, it's okay, guys. Sponge. And then I also bought a tape dispenser with tape.
What if I got to something else? I want to see. What if I got to
like that. Because now we're going to wrap the gift, so this is nice. This is really nice to have.
Oh, okay.
And then this is from Home Bargains. Sparklers. 2 pieces I bought. I forgot the price, but it's not so much expensive. In Home Bargains they have. I'm sure in B&M they have also.
Yes.
And I think soon Lidl, Aldi they will have also. So we'll use it for New Year, of course.
That's a really good taking pieces.
And then this is in wait, this is in Home Bargains. Diary. I just need a slim diary because, as you know, I like to write. I don't know, this is just so simple. That's why. And pink. I'm not into pink, but sometimes I like pink. Oh my god, I didn't know I purchased this.
What is that?
It's a bit expensive.
Show me.
Stitch pen again. Just it's cute, but I'm not so sure to purchase it, but then I purchased it. Oh, £3. It's not so expensive, but it's expensive for a pen. £3. And then this is from Home Bargains, desk planner, because I need to plan my schedule and everything. This one, yeah. And then this is in Home Bargains. This is in Home Bargains. Birthday gift, because I bought a packet of birthday cards here from B&M, but most of that is like for girls. So this time I purchased for boys. We have Sonic, 79 pence. We have nothing really, and it's just this one is actually good. There's nothing. 29 pence, because for me, like, it's better to buy something for the gift than the cards. 79 pence, Minecraft.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this one. We'll keep it.
I guess it's
you know, for... Oh my god, invisible tape. Okay, I bought this in B&M, 150. Invisible tape.
Can I see?
No, this is like a tape, back to back, you know. But I bought so much tape. And then I think this is still not yet. I purchased some money coins, money gold, or how you call it, like something money chocolates. Yeah, this one. And then this is the last, I guess. So this is the last. This one I bought display book. That's what you call it, for my son's certificate, because my sons have so many certificates, awards, medals. Not the medals, he will put it in the box, but the certificate you need to put it here. Okay? So we don't lose it. And then maybe something important, papers.
And I'm Yellow Bell in cake boxing, my channel.
Yeah, and Alex got his yellow bell.
You might see it in my other videos, but just to tell you.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy my vlog. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Bye. Mwah. Bye. Wait, I just need off my other page.